This is my first attempt at landscaping with the kit from Woodland Scenics. It comes with everything you need, all the parts except for the skill. You have to kind of learn that yourself. It comes with a track to go there for a train. I, however, prefer cars, so I use cardboard to widen it for my four-wheel drives there. It's only about $20. But if you buy all those parts separately, it can get kind of expensive. But it comes with fake rocks and everything. It comes with the gravel. It comes with the glue and the plaster. The culvert right there. So there you go. That's actually my first attempt right there. That's just how it's though. So it's not bad. Bigger would be better. And there you go.